So we'll give you a demo on this heatsink tubes. We got it from Amazon, and this is to protect the vulnerable parts of your charging cable. I am already done with this part. I've already secured it. We'll see how it works. What you need to do is just put it through. Just put it through. So it's gone. Now what we'll do, we'll heat it up and it will shrink and it will protect the space. And now I'll just heat it up. This is a birthday candle I had. This is the birthday candle from Sanjog's birthday. You see it's shrinking. Alright. Shrinking perfectly. Now let's clean it up. And here it is. Perfectly fits. So let's protect it now.